everybody, it's Callie and I'm back with another layout, and I'm going to be scrapping these two photos of my nephew with his two children. And if you look closely, the photo on the left, he and his daughter have the same look on their face and they're in the same position. And then on the other side, on the right side, he and his son are kind of both sitting there in the same position as well. So Mama posted this with the title hashtag twinning, and oh man, isn't that true? So I cut that grid ledger paper there from Kaiser Craft. It's the Loire Valley Iris paper. And I'm going to use that to mat the photo. And then I have that ledger paper, or the graph paper, the graph paper is the Kaiser Craft paper, which is the matte paper. And then underneath is the ledger paper, which is the blue paper with the navy strip with the pink stitching. And that is from Chamel's Sparkle City. I don't know what the name of that paper is. I just had a scrap. Although, now that I think about it, I can tell you because it's the borders on the bottom. Hang on a second, guys. I'll take a quick look here and see if I can see what it is. It says Sparkle City Sparkly Sky. That's what that paper is. So, sorry about that if that made a lot of noise. So I'm going to put that on that star paper, and I justified it to the left just because I didn't want it sitting right in the middle. I thought about it this way. It looks like it's sitting on some sort of shelf. It's on that background paper, which is Chamel Never Grow Up, the Dreams Come True paper, that gorgeous star paper. And now I'm putting a cluster on the right side of the photos there. I cut that Just Be Cool from a 3x4 cut apart from Chamel's Field Trip 12x12 pad. And I just, especially the photo to the right, they look kind of cool as they're sitting there. And then added that little chipboard piece that says Everyday Adventures. That's from Chamel's Head in the Cloud chipboard stickers. So I kind of like that's on there because this is kind of an everyday thing. He's just hanging out with his kids. So, and I love the way that looks. I just think the photo on the left kills me, where he and his daughter have the same look on their faces. Now, I do know that I want something at the top left up here. So I'm going to the Chamel Glitter Girl sticker folder, and I pulled out some quote washi. But before I decide how low that can go, that's cluster there on the top left, I need to get the title on. So that's where this twinning is coming from. This holographic alpha is American Craft Stickers in Coastline. That's the name. I don't know what collection this went with. I just bought them separately, so I don't remember. But oh my gosh, they are such a beautiful holographic sticker. And then they're on a bright pink foam, which is kind of fun. And because she said hashtag twinning, and I do have a hashtag, I'm going to use that. Plus, I just like that it takes up an extra little bit of room on this. I think that's important here. Okay, so now I have that down. So I have a little bit more idea how far down that washi tape sticker can go. I'm kind of thinking about what can I use with this washi sticker. Oh my goodness, words are hard. And just going through all the different sticker books here. And then I realized I kind of like this little balloon cart. It doesn't really have anything to do with what they're doing, but it's kind of cute. and the kids are cute. So that one came from the Sparkle City collection. And then that everyday, or yesterday, today, and tomorrow sticker came from the Sparkle City as well, I think, if I remember correctly. Then I added some more washi tape. Just grabbed another, it's the washi tape stickers. Again. There we go. And I just want I want the blue washi or aqua washi to sit over the top of this little navy star. So I'm kind of playing around with this a little bit just because of the way I ended up putting these on. And there, now I can get the car back on. I can try anyway. And then I realized, oh, wait, I need to cut that off. The other one, the strip is thin enough that I can wrap it around. Thought about using the little offcut piece in the bottom there, but it didn't work. So I just let it be. And then I did need to, I decided to put some foam tape underneath the car, and I can't find it. I don't know where it's stuck to. So here we go. I found it, and I don't remember what it had stuck to, if it had stuck to the back of the layout or if it stuck to me. But I did find it, obviously. Through the magic of editing, you didn't have to watch me look for it. All right, so then I'm going through and I'm finding these little star stickers, and those came from the Chamel Sparkle City accent stickers. There was a sticker folder and these accent stickers in that collection. And I'm just kind of distributing them around. I realized I had them left, so I thought I would use them. And then I'm going to add a little bit of dimension to this by adding these puffy stars from Ellie's Studio, and it's the puffy star stickers. So and then the little star stickers from the Chamel collection and allowed me to get a little bit of holographic up in that top cluster. So that had holographic or the silver foil in each of these. And then I am adding in those enamel dots from the Queen & Company epoxy dots. So those are navy dots there that I'm just adding into each of the clusters just to give it a little bit more color and a little bit of a different texture. Lots of textures here though with the holographic and the chipboard and all the other things. So there's a still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye everybody.